Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Factory resetting your Android phone can feel risky, but with the right approach, you can wipe everything clean without losing your important files and photos. Let me walk you through exactly how to do this safely. Step 1. Before you start anything, back up all your data to Google Drive or another cloud service. Open your settings, go to Accounts, select Google, and tap on your account. Then find Backup and Restore options. This ensures your contacts, calendars, and app data are saved in the cloud. Step 2. Back up your photos and videos separately using Google Photos. Download the app if you don't have it, open it, and select Backup and Sync. Let it run through your entire library so nothing gets lost. Step 3. Go to Settings, then System, and find Reset options. Look for Reset All Settings or Factory Reset Phone. You'll see a warning about what gets deleted, so take a moment to review it. Step 4. Choose the option that lets you erase all data, then confirm by entering your PIN or password. Your phone will restart and begin the reset process, which takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Step 5. After the reset completes and your phone reboots, sign back into your Google account. Your backed up data including contacts, apps, and settings will automatically restore. Check your photos in Google Photos and download them back to your device if needed. Everything should be exactly where you left it.